Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 9.
So in this video, we'll like to provide you the information about debit and credit card of a certain bank for banking and finance course.
Okay, so before we're going to the main topic, let us introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Firda Dwi Cahyani.
My name is Hastuti.
And myself, Suci Aulia Qolbi, and like we said before, let's move to the main topic.
Okay, in this video, I will explain debit card and credit card at one of the Indonesian bank, namely Bank BRI. There are many types of debit card, one of which is the Pratama BRI debit card, which is intended for customer BRI bank, so you can make payment, withdraw cash, and transfer funds easily and safely. The BRI Pratama saving product is one of the most popular saving among other BRI saving. In the saving account, BRI debit card are available in two options, namely the BRI Pratama Black debit card and the BRI Pratama Silver debit card. Next, namely the credit card, there are two different images. First, BRI Wonderful Indonesia. BRI Wonderful Indonesia is a BRI CEO branding credit card in collaboration with the Ministry of Tourism. This card is suitable for those of you who like traveling around Indonesia with a minimum income requirement of 5 million. And secondly, the BRI Touch Platinum credit card. This card offer a variety of exclusive benefits such as access to airport lodges, reward programs, discount at certain merchants, and insurance protection with a provision of minimum income requirement of 3 million.
Now, I would like to give you the information about how to use a credit card and debit card. Okay, so the first, I would like to explain about how to use a debit card. The first step you have to do is insert your debit card into the payment machine, or you can just like give it to the cashier. And the second, you need to follow the on-screen instruction or instruction from the cashier to enter your PIN or perform a PIN-less transaction depending on the store or bank policy. Next, you need to verify the payment amount and press OK to complete the transaction. And the last one is, you can retrieve your receipt and debit card after the transaction is complete. For additional information, you need to monitor transaction and balance regularly through the banking application or bank website, and take a good care of your debit card, and avoid giving personal information such as PIN number to other people, because maybe it would be like dangerous in the future you can get scam or something. And you don't wanna have the experience, right? Okay, so now we're moving to credit card. So I would like to explain how to use credit card. For the step, it's basically the same as like how to use debit card for payment methods. The first one, you need to insert your credit card into the payment machine, or you just like give it to the cashier. And the second, follow the on-screen instruction or instruction from the cashier to enter your PIN or perform a PIN-less transaction depending on the store or bank policy. And next, you need to verify the payment amount and press OK to complete the transaction, or you just let the cashier do it for you. And retrieve your receipt and debit card after the transaction is complete. Like basically the same for the payment method with the debit card. The method for payment is the same, so what make it different is that if you use credit card, it is considered to debt, and you need to pay the bill every month. For additional information, credit card has more information than credit card, so I would like to explain that you use a credit card according to the credit limit determined by the bank. So you cannot use credit card whatever you want for the whatever amount, like unlimited. No, of course credit card has a limit determined by the bank. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, now we're going to talk about pros and cons using a credit card. Okay, so in the pros part, credit card are handy. So credit card are like wallet in your phone or purse. You can use them to buy things online or in a shop without carrying lots of money in your pocket. So the next is using a credit card build a credit history. So when you use a credit card responsibly, it's like building up points in a game. It helps show that you're reliable when it comes to borrowing money, which can be useful if you want to get a loan for a car, maybe a house, later. And the next is the advantage of using a credit card is rewards. So some credit cards giving you rewards like cashback or points you can use for flight or shopping. It's like getting a little bonus for using your card. And the next is as emergency funds. If you ever in a tight spot and need to pay for something unexpected, like sudden car repair, you can use your credit card as a lifesaver. So it's like having a safety net in your wallet. And the last one is extra protection, because some credit card offer extra perks like covering the cost if something you buy gets damaged or stolen. So it's like having insurance for your purchases. Next is in the cons part. So first is debt. So using a credit card, it's like borrowing money, and if you're not careful, you can end up owing a lot. It's like spending money you don't have, and the more you borrow, the more you will owe. And the next is fees and interest. So some credit cards charge you just for having them, and if you don't pay off your balance in full each month, you will get charged extra fees and interest. It's like paying extra for the privilege of using your own money. Next is overspend. So having a credit card can feel like having unlimited money, and it's easy to get carried away and spend more than you should. So it's like being in a candy store with no one to tell you when to stop. And the next is credit score impact. So if you miss the payment or max out your credit card, it can damage your credit score, which is like your financial reputation. So if your financial reputation is bad, can make it harder to get loans or rent an apartment in the future. And the last one is security risk. So your credit card details can be stolen by hackers, just like your personal information, because if you use a credit card, it's like leaving your wallet on a park bench and hoping nobody takes it. So that's all from our explanation, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.